Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at the pound yen and see where we can identify supply and demand areas and possibly trade it for income. On the monthly, we have a area of demand down here. So you can see price dropped pretty heavily back in 2016, and now price has reached this area of demand, so we don't want to go short anymore until at least it breaks this. But then even then, there's levels of demand that's been tested down here, all the way down here. So we do not want to short. We want to look for opportunities to go long. And then there's a area of supply right here on this continuation drop, base drop, that was in control, and now this tested area of demand is now in control. And then when it rallied, touched this area of supply, there's also another area of supply that was created down here. It's very weak, but regardless, it still kept price down. Every time it touches it, price went down. Okay, so that's what we have on the monthly. On the weekly, we are seeing the same thing. Weekly is in a downtrend. Because there's a drop, base, drop. All this is just base, just staircase base. So we can't draw the trend line like that. We gotta draw like this, and then yeah. But then there's an area of demand down here that that's currently holding price up. So we don't want to short. So that's why we can't short. We can't short here. We can't short here because this area of demand is in control, and also as well as the higher time frame area of demand on the monthly. On the daily, we have price just dropping. It's dropping, but then now it created an area of demand right here. I'm sorry. Let's see. So did it drop, base, drop, drop, base, drop, base, drop. So technically, if you draw the trend line, it's gonna be like this. It's pretty hard to draw, but I'm gonna draw like that. So technically, the daily is still in a downtrend. Weekly is in a downtrend, but we have monthly in control, monthly area of demand in control, and weekly area of demand in control. So we want to go long, but there's no guarantee that it's gonna keep on going up. So we want to make sure that like for example, we want to make sure that this is a downtrend on the weekly. So we want to make sure that at least this area of supply has been removed, preferably before we go long. So just because it's making this piercing candle and monthly area demand is in control, we can't automatically assume to go long. We want to make sure that these obstacles on the weekly gets taken out. And same with the daily. If you're trading the daily, you want to make sure that these areas of supply gets taken out before going long. I mean, and once you go long, you have such a big so much room to go to reach the next obstacle. So don't worry about, oh, this is such a close range or anything, or why am I waiting so long just to do this. But if you really think about it, you have so much room to the upside. If price ever breaks these zones, Otherwise, you just have to patiently wait, and sometimes price may not do what you want it to do. Maybe sometimes price could go up and then not even touch this and go back down and break this zone, because all of our time frames are telling us that we're in a downtrend. So this area of demand on the weekly could get taken out. This area of demand on the monthly could get taken out. That's why we're very cautious. That's why we're not just automatically buying, because all of our time frames are telling us to short, but then we know we can't short because higher time frames of demand is in control. So either we want to wait until this area gets removed, or we want to wait until these areas of supply gets removed to go long. So we have to wait to see what price is going to do. And then on the 4 hour, we have an uptrend. You can clearly draw this uptrend. So if you're trading the monthly, weekly, daily sequence, you want to wait to see whether or not this area of monthly area of demand is going to hold price and go up higher, or wait until it breaks down. And then if you're trading the weekly, daily, 4 hour, you want to wait until at least, basically the same story. You want to wait until at least this area of demand gets taken out and this area of demand gets taken out before you get a confirmation to go up, to go long. So that is what we're waiting to do on the pound yen. And I hope you found this analysis helpful. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.